Today I will react and see the emergency alert systems from all around the world. Part 1. Here we go.
In your area have developed this system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA, CIS, the FCC, and local authorities. Broadcast and KDQ informed
5 out of 10.
of an emergency.
5 out of 10.
The previous deal between teachers and the province.
Excuse me sometimes, but excuse me a lot. Yeah, okay.
Event type is tornado. For Lindsay, Southern Kawartha Lakes. For Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region. For Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region. Tornado warning in effect for Lindsay, Southern
Here's
Kawartha.
Japan.
緊急地震速報です。強い揺れに警戒してください。緊急地震速報です。強い揺れに警戒してください。
緊急地震速報です。福島県、宮城県、山形県、茨城県、栃木県では強い揺れに警戒してください。テレビの画面は福島県いわき市の現在の様子です。カメラが左右に揺れています。
Más fuerte, con calma, traten de guardar la calma. Si están cerca de alguna salida, hagan.
Okay. Now back. Wait, we go
Ya
back.
comenzó este sismo, se siente ya un poquito más fuerte. Con calma, traten de guardar la calma. Si están cerca de alguna salida, háganlo con calma, por favor. Las personas que están, vamos a tratar de salirnos de aquí porque está temblando ya un poquito fuerte. Vamos a seguir aquí al aire nosotros. Seguimos al aire con la transmisión aquí en Foro TV y es que está moviéndose ya bastante fuerte aquí.
Time for Australia.
Hello, John Sluter again from the Bureau with the latest situation on Tropical Cyclone Nancy. A short time ago, she was approximately 170 kilometres northeast of Tewantin, moving in a southwesterly direction at around 50 kilometres an hour. Now,
Israel. What? Okay, time for Saudi Arabia. Okay, Saudi Arabia.
رجاء الانتباه. لقد أطلق الدفاع المدني بالمنطقة الشرقية.
I think that's just entertainment. Yeah, entertainment out of 10.
Prepared. You need survival items, a getaway kit, and a plan for your family. You also need to recognize this civil defense war before a disaster hits. You need to be prepared. You need survival items that will help you get through. For more information, visit getthrough.govt.nz.
I don't know. Okay, that was quite. But this one it will be Nightmare Fuel. Okay, let's go for Netherlands. No, it sounds like the United. What the? This thing looks like the United States.
This is the Wartime Broadcasting Service. This country has been attacked with nuclear weapons. Communications have been severely disrupted, and the number of
Okay, where's the AS? rating it will be 6.
Every hour on the hour. Stay tuned.
What is this? It sounds like 9 out of 10 for me. Not 1 infinite out of 10. That was the scariest EAS of all time. Anyways, thank you for choosing. Thank you for choosing EAS reactions, and also, and anyways, goodbye.